really miss drinking chocolate show. You'd pick me up discreetly at the end of my road. We would go somewhere quiet and drink real slow. And I really miss taking drives with you. Forest fields and villages we'd pass through. There is not one single thing I'd rather do. You can move on quickly if you want to. Forget about our history if you must. You could find a new guy if you'd like to, but I'm still hooked up